Yes. Hi, you guys. Today is my cheat day, Friday. My close that washroom though. I have fried crawfish tail with French fries, and I have popcorn shrimp with French fries. Look how good. Miguel, you want some? Come on, Miguel, come and eat. Move, hey, get out the way. We're about to eat. You want some crawfish? Popcorn. We're just gonna sit here and eat. Why y'all watch us? Hey, stop!
Get up.
I hate when he do that.
Hey, you weren't doing that inside the fucking closet.
That's his way of talking. You ain't getting nothing. No, you ain't getting nothing. And I have my Coca-Cola. You ain't getting none. Look at him.
He barking at some
I don't know who he barking at. He trying to talk. That's what he trying to do. At the end, lemon. He's supposed to squeeze lemon on the shrimp.
At the end, I'll taste the lemon by itself.
So you can't even see yourself if you sitting right here. Look at the camera. Right here. It is so good, you guys. All week, I've been thinking about fried foods. Go turn my light off in my room. All week, fried food. I went all week with that egg diet. Been passing gas and every damn thing else. Excuse my language. So I had a taste for crawfish tail. Fried crawfish tail. And Ace is on the floor. He thinks he's gonna get some, but he's not getting any. Not one.
I want you to expect God to do great things.
If y'all knew what was holding up my camera right now, because I don't have what you call it, a tripod stand, I think it is. I don't know. Yeah. But if you knew what was holding up my camera right now for me to record this, you'll be amazed. It's my Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner. It's working though. It's all good. I gotta get me a tripod though. Ace, you're not getting any. Or you can stop looking. You're not getting any. Yeah, you ate all the ketchup. You used all the ketchup. Go play. Go play. Go play. You ain't getting nothing. No. No. Say your brother them, huh? You want to eat all of it, huh? Ain't gonna be mad.
Guess what? I just christened this bitch, as you can see. So look, and we're cooking. And so, turn up, bitch. Turn up. Yeah. So yeah, this is cool.
So I've been wanting to do more videos like this, but when I get ready to eat, I be forgetting, because once I get my food in my hand, I tears it up. Talking about like what it's called, Mukbang, Mukbang, bang. It's one of them. I'd be so much in a rush to eat. So I'm like, oh, I forgot. I could do the mukbang. I was gonna do crawfish today. And some boiled turkey necks and corn and stuff. But guess what? Down here in Louisiana, crawfish is $6.79 a pound. If you guys know what crawfish is, they call them mud bugs and what else they call them? Crawdaddies everywhere else. But I'm from the South. I'm living in the South. We call them crawfish. Yeah. But once they get a little cheaper, because they're high right now because it's cold in Louisiana, so in the summer they should be cheaper. Right now they're $6.79 a pound. In the summer they're like what? Like $2? No, I'm lying.
$4.
About $4 and something a pound. So they high right now. Here, you want some? Your brother gonna kill you.
I don't care.
And my good old Coca-Cola. No, this is not sponsored by Coca-Cola. I ain't even supposed to be drinking this. Like I say, this is my cheat day. Let me enjoy this, please. Don't come for me if I don't come for you. Okay? Thank you. Okay. Keep the negative comments to yourself. Because guess what? I'm going to eat anyway. And Ace is really on this floor waiting to eat, but he's not getting any. Not a crumb.
Already?
Not a dime.
I said save some for my brother, so.
You ain't eating mine? You ain't eating none.
There you go.
I just gave Tyrell a whole plate of fries and tenders. Ace is really on this floor crying, but he's not getting any. You're not getting any, Ace. At all. So you can stop it. I wonder why they ain't never sung you up the letter yet, girl. Let's see. And the girl made the honor roll. Hi, honor roll. Straight A student. And finger hurts sending me something. You have credit available. That's good. But guess what? You ain't getting no more of my money. I never knew crawfish tails would taste this good. Yeah, you gotta talk to the camera because guess what? It's not good. I used to wait on you to drop something.
In 1,
Eat it.
2, 3.
You took my lemon. The lemons look old. So sour. I'm watching you watching me. You guys, I tried to upload my video yesterday for the week and it did not happen because I fell asleep. So I'm gonna do it today, tonight, and I'm gonna let it go as they are on the charger at the same time because my phone is dead and you know how that go.
Nasty.
Oh, man. Because old.
I can't tell somebody something.
I can't wait to go on my cruise in July. Since it'll be my first time going on a cruise. Hopefully the Lord said the same. Lord said, I did hair today. I did like 4 people hair today. I had no time to eat, so this will be my first time eating, which is not good because I didn't even eat breakfast. Well, I'm lying. I did eat a protein bar, and that's basically it, and drunk some water. So I was like, this is my cheat day. I'm gonna eat me some fried food. So tomorrow, I'll go back on it. So I'm gonna enjoy this now. Thirsty, huh, girl?
Yes.
Better get you some good old water. Ain't no juice in there. Feel like I got crumbs on my head. I'm getting full, you guys. I bring it to a Coca-Cola. Oh yeah. Ain't your brother new? Really want some food? Huh? You want some? You want some? Ace thought I was talking to him, so he come walk inside of me. You ain't getting none. I meant what I said. I'm sorry. I gave him a little tiny piece of chicken, and that ruined everything. Now that all he does is looks for food crumbs. Just all the time. You want some food? Pig, you eating Takis. And you want food?
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
You can see Piggy? Come together. Scroll. Why you couldn't see you then? I'm full. I'm sleepy. Pig, you don't even know what you're eating. What is that?
Shrimp.
Oh, I'm gonna taste that.
It's different.
Mm-hmm. It's crawfish.
This one?
Mm-hmm. What tastes better? We're gonna get Tyree a test. Tyree! Don't tell him either. We gonna see if Tyree know the difference between crawfish and shrimp.
Which one is crawfish or
Come here. Come on this side. Come on this side. No, you will knock my camera down. Come on this side. Your big long leg. Say hi to the vlog. You too tall. Bend down.
Hey.
Here.
I don't want to.
I want you to taste it. We doing a taste test. I want to see if you know the difference. Here, taste that.
What's this?
Just eat it. Come on now, play the game. What is it?
I don't like this. It's shrimp.
No, that's not. Taste that one. Finish eating now, honey.
I'm gonna pick this up.
Uh-uh.